Welcome to our channel! Good afternoon! Anyways, hindi na naman ako dapat mag-video, pero dahil may natanggap tayong nakikita ang address package, mag-unboxing tayo. Time check pala. Today is February 21st, 4:01 in the afternoon. Kakatanggap lang, fresh na fresh. Or baka kanina pa itong mga few hours sa labas. Pero kasi, nung asawa ko yung nakakita. So, galing ito kay Ate Ro. Let's unbox. I-open na natin ang package. Kahapon nag-message siya sa akin. Asking kung natanggap ko na ba daw. Wala pa. Sabi ko magme-message ako. Pero inahin muna natin ang mag-unboxing. Ito ay galing from North Carolina. Hindi ko maipakita yung harap kasi nandito yung address namin eh. So, i-cover ang address. Ting! Kay Ate Ro galing. Hey! Open natin. Wala, parang mabigat. Ano kaya to? Saktong-sakto, kakaligo-ligo ko lang. Kasi, ilang araw na akong binali ng treasures. Ay, hala. Ito ang aking request. Ang tanglad. Ilagay ko siya, itatanim ko siya. Kasi siguro ilagay ko rin sa freezer. Tatanungin ko nga si ate, paano ba ito itanim? Ay, feeling ko nandito, may paugat siya dito. May empty paso ako dyan na malaki. Ano pa ba? Ay! Corn beef! Argentina corn beef. May Asian shop dito, Asian store sa amin, mga 25 minutes, 30 minutes away. Kaya lang, hindi laging kumpleto. More on iba. Galing India, Mexico, yung mga ganyan. Korea, China. Konti lang yung product ng from Philippines. Matutuwa si Amera nito. May corned beef. Sakto. Ala. At ang nag-trending na tada! Trader Joe's tote bag. Ala! Gagamitin ko to sa summer. Sakto may pagganap ang fam bam ng June. Ito ay gagamitin ko. Or hindi ko gamitin kasi sayang naman. Baka madumihan. Thank you, ate! Hello! Ang ganda! So pretty! Baka naman. May maliit pa nito, ate. Baka naman. Thank you! At yung tanglad, importante ito kasi pwedeng panlaga. Iinumin sa umaga. And then, pang inasal at tinola. Tapos ito, titipid din. Si Amera mahilig sa corned beef. Kaya ayan. Thank you, ate, sa package. Ayan na, nag-video ako. Dapat hindi talaga mag-video kasi hapon na. Tamad na tamad ako. Anyways, papatulugin ko lang si Bran and then baka mag-video or film ako mamaya kung anong ganap namin. Bye! See you later! Good morning. It's a beautiful Monday today. It's time check 7:28 in the morning. Nagluluto na ako gumagawa na ako ng toast bread. May pasok si Bren. Kahapon, the other day, I received a package. So I filmed. Hapon na yun. And then, hindi na ako nakapag-film the rest of the evening. So, yesterday, I filmed. But after filming ng umaga,
hindi na rin ako nakapag-film. Ewan ko ba, tamad? Hindi naman tamad na tamad, pero I feel like may mga bagay akong kailangan gawin or, you know, na parang I don't think pwedeng i-video. Plus, inasikaso yung mga bata, nagluto, inasikaso yung asawa ko kasi may pasok. So, hindi naman busy, pero hindi sobrang busy kasi nasa bahay ka lang. Pero pag nasa bahay ka, non-stop yung gawain. So, anyways, ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-video. Same outfit. And then, ano pa ba? Wala. Magsa 7:30 na, kailangan ko nang gisingin si Brand. Ready na yung kanyang toast bread. Antok na antok ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Or maybe because pag pinapatulog ko talaga yung mga bata sa room nila, hindi ako nakakatulog ng maayos sa bed namin kasi iniisip ko sila. Anyways, ay naku, ang dami ko na namang nakwento. Mamaya ulit.
Moses crosses the Red Sea. Oh my! God's people were trapped in Egypt. With God's help, Moses convinced the evil Pharaoh to let them go. But as they were leaving, Pharaoh changed his mind. He sent his armies after Moses and God's people to capture them again. Moses was in trouble. They had come to the Red Sea, and there was no way to cross it. Don't be afraid, Moses told the people, God will save us. Then God split the sea in half. Everyone escaped through the water on dry land. What an amazing miracle! Oh, Ruth and Naomi. A young woman named Ruth lived in Bethlehem with her relative Naomi. They were very poor, but Naomi was too old to work. Ruth loved Naomi and said, I will work so we can have food to eat. Ruth worked hard gathering barley in the fields of a good man named Boaz. He said, you are kind to help Naomi. Gather all you want. Ruth took care of Naomi and Boaz grew to love Ruth. After Ruth and Boaz got married, Naomi lived with them and cared for Obed, their baby boy. Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. I love you. I love you. Yeah, Mom. Oh, David and Goliath. A huge, scary giant named Goliath threatened to destroy all the king's army. David was only a shepherd boy, but he knew God could do anything. Let me fight Goliath, he said. He stepped towards the giant with only stones and sling, weapons he had used to protect his sheep. Goliath laughed, but David didn't care. He put a stone in his sling, swung it around, and flung it through the air. The rock hit Goliath smack on his forehead, and the giant fell at David's feet with a mighty crash. David trusted God, and God helped him.
I'm back. Good evening. Time check. 10:17. Medyo madilim na. Hindi na ako nakapag-film kanina while nagluluto kumakain kasi may pinag-uusapan kami mag-asawa. Tapos inasikaso yung mga bata kumain and then nanood kami ng movie. Like old movie. And right now, I'm just cleaning up the counter with all Brent's activities from school. Nakainom na ako ng vitamins and ano pa ba? Ng gamot ko. Nakatulog na si Bran kaya mahina na yung boses ko habang nanonood kami ng movie. So I just clean up their bedroom and then kailangan ko nang ilipat si Bran sa bedroom and praying, hoping na hindi siya magising para dire-diretso yung tulog niya. So tomorrow na siya gigising. Anyways, that's it for today. Maiksi lang yung vlog. But hopefully tomorrow makapag-film ako because I need to do blood work. See ya. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe.